Hey everybody, welcome back. How you doing? Doing pretty good. Kind of a sucky day today, but I was gonna film making this. So what I'm gonna do is explain to you what I did. Okay, so I had the box, it was empty. I had these two picks, so I kind of put them at an angle right there on each side. And then, well, I'll show you from the back because it's easier. Okay, so the big one was all these white ones, and I kind of separated them a little bit and put that right smack in the middle in the back. And then next on each side, I put these cones, these little cones that I had. These cones, these things with the red on each side. So you can see it from the front. These cones, those went in next, and then I put in the red and then the silver. So that's, it looks full, but it's really not. See, that's the back of it. So this is gonna go up, and this was kind of fun. I was trying to find like a little, like I was gonna put these right here to make it fun, but I decided I wanted to use these with the mailbox, so I'm not gonna do that. So this is the thing that's gonna go up over the hot cocoa bar, and you'll see that when I do the tour around. So that is that. So that was pretty easy, it's really easy. So I'm gonna kinda set this back out of the way. You can still see it, but I wanted to show you the next thing that we're gonna do. I have these planters, little iron seats. Now, my dining room has the black iron on the banisters, and in the kitchen I have a wrought iron light. So this kind of brings stuff together. So I've got a little haul to show you because we need this stuff. Okay, so I went and got, they didn't have two of these. So what I'm going to do is cut this off. Get this out. And because there's two white ones, one of these, and a red. Let me see, red. Okay. So that's kind of split in half, kind of. The only thing that's a little extra is this bulb. And I can actually take one of the little bulbs that I have and add it in here if I want. So what I'm gonna do is cut those off because I need two, and they didn't have two. So I'm gonna cut, I always cut at the bottom. That way if I need to use less, I can cut it down. So I take this all apart. And this is kind of a quick craft, but it's gonna go in my kitchen. And you'll see that also when I do my little tour. Okay, so I got rid of the stem. Now, what I got for in there, they had some really cute frosted glass things, but I didn't think they would fit in here. I think they would be too big. Now this is going to be, if I set it like that, it'll be all right, and you can still see the Merry Christmas. And we'll cut the tag off. These were $3 a piece. So I used my cash that I had. And here's the other one. And it has the little deer in this. So it kind of looks kind of that'll hold it. That's cute. So now what I'll do is I'll take a white and a white. See, I don't think I'm going to have to make them smaller. We got some frosted berries. Frosted berries. Some red berries. Red berries. Red poinsettia. See, this one I'm going to cut down a little bit. Kind of make it match. And then we have the little bulb. See, I don't have to put that in there. Right now it matches. But if I wanted to add a little something to one side, I could. So, there is those. That was quick, right? And you can't really see the chair part, but these are going to go up. I have shelves on either side. If you've seen my tours before, on either side of my window I have shelves. And then I did find a snowman, a new snowman for the tree this year. So I found one. So he'll go up on my tree, and I found 2 more of this that I'll put up on that tree. And yeah, so that is it. So that's it for this little how-to. Pretty quick, went pretty quick. I just used what I had. I just grabbed these new little things and make sure that they kind of stand out a little bit. There. So I'll go put those on my, if I find another little, see, I can. I have, I'll just take it off of here. I have a little one, and I'm pretty sure in my flowery stuff, I have a big enough stem. I can add it in. All right. Let's switch this around because I need a longer stem. Longer. Okay. All right. You can use what you have. And it's kind of floppy. It's floppy, but it'll be okay. There, now they kind of match. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one little craft thing we did. Those 3, and it came out pretty cute. And then we've only got a few more to do, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you in the next one. Bye now.